Hey, I'm Russ Sadikoff with Team Russ Homes.
And I'm Ronnie Cope with Team Russ Homes.
And today we got a real nice treat for you as we'll be touring this stunning townhome situated in the Berryessa neighborhood of San Jose.
2530 Heron Court is a spacious home with 1,270 square feet of living space and an attached 2-car tandem garage.
It's definitely got a lot to offer, so let's not wait any longer and come with us on a tour.
Let's do it.
Thank you so much for touring with us today.
As you've seen, this home features 2 en suites, 2.5 baths, a spacious great room that features a kitchen, dining room, and family areas, and most importantly, an unbeatable location 20 minutes away from major tech hubs like Google, Microsoft, and Facebook.
Absolutely, the location is incredible. You're also just minutes away from downtown San Jose, the Japantown, and the Santana Row.
Don't wait, contact us today for your private tour.
And we look forward to meeting you soon.